Computational fluid dynamics, or CFD, is the computer-based simulation of fluid systems, both gases and liquids. Engineers use CFD to design nearly anything involving fluid flow. Since the very first computations done on early computers, the capability of CFD has grown by leaps and bounds. CFD is used to compute the forces acting on various aerodynamic shapes, like cars and airplanes. It's used to optimize the air conditioning systems of modern data centers. It can even compute the sound produced by a futuristic air taxi as it flies by. The technology has become so accurate that America's Cup teams design the fastest sailing boats in the world using Cadence Fidelity CFD tools only, eliminating the need for wind tunnels or towing tanks. CFD technology is also cost-effective. It's a mixture of accuracy and cost-effectiveness that makes modern CFD so powerful. In Formula One racing, the amount of CFD a given team can use is restricted because it can provide so much of a competitive advantage. So how does CFD work? First, engineers use computer-aided design, or CAD software, to create a 3D model of a design such as a car. This model can be extremely complex, and preparing it for CFD is itself a challenging computational problem today, involving Cadence Fidelity to fill holes and gaps. Next, the 3D space around the model where the fluid flows is converted into a discrete digital form called a mesh. Then the CFD software is used to solve the equations that govern the physics of moving air or water to find out the pressure, temperature, and velocity at each point in the mesh. Finally, design engineers visualize and analyze the results to improve the vehicle's design. And now, imagine this state-of-the-art technology applied to the highest-performing cars on the planet, the Mclaren Formula One cars. After all, just as with sailboats and aircraft, it's all about aerodynamics. The better the calculations of the downforce and drag force, the shorter the lap time in the race. And today, with 35 years of computational software expertise, Cadence has partnered with Mclaren Formula One team as an official technology partner to bring our next-generation Fidelity CFD technologies to today's demanding engineers and help Mclaren perform at their best. In a fast-paced world, CFD enables engineers to optimize for performance and efficiency, creating better designs faster.